Delete users by using USB numeric keypad. You can delete a user without having the user present his or her fingerprints or card, by using keypad. You only need to know his or her user ID number, to delete his or her data from the H2i. This is a convenient feature especially, if the user has already left the company, or has lost his or her card. First, plug a USB numeric keyboard into the H2i. Check that the LED lights on the keyboard turn off. Insert the keyboard password.
Password confirmation is successful.
The message, "Password confirmation is successful," will be heard. Press to enter.
Delete users. Please input the user ID.
The message, "Delete user. Please input user ID," will be heard. Insert the user ID to be deleted.
User ID 18888. Deletion is successful. Delete users. Please input the user ID.
The terminal will then repeat the user ID that is about to be deleted. The message, "Deletion is successful. Delete user. Please input user number," will be heard. Delete another user by inserting a user ID. Press backspace to end process.
The system returns to verification mode.
The message, "The system returns to verification mode," will be heard, indicating the end of the process. You can also delete all users, including the administrator card, using the numeric keyboard. First, plug a USB numeric keyboard into the H2i. Check that the LED lights on the keyboard turn on. Insert the keyboard password.
Password confirmation is successful.
The message, "Password confirmation is successful," will be heard. Press 9 enter.
Delete all users. The operation is successful. The system returns to verification mode. Please register administrator card.
The message, "Delete all user." The operation is successful. The system returns to verification mode. Please register the administrator card, will be heard, indicating success in the process. There are no users and administrator registered in the H2i now. Start all over again by enrolling administrator card.